Section 2, Listening.
Activity 2, Communication.
Students, listen to the following conversation. What is your name? What is your name?
My name is Desta. My name is Desta.
What is your father's name? What is your father's name?
My father's name is Tesfanesh. My father's name is Tesfanesh.
How old are you? How old are you?
I am 10 years old. I am 10 years old.
Where are you from? Where are you from?
I am from Arba Minch. I am from Arba Minch.
What grade are you in? What grade are you in?
I am in grade 4. I am in grade 4. Students, answer the following question.
What is your name? What is your father's name?
How old are you? Where are you from? What grade are you in?
Students, ask your partners the same question. Students, ask your partners the same question. Okay, students, this is all about Section 2 Activity 2. See you in the next activity.
Activity 4.
Students, please listen to the following conversation in between Desta and Tesfanesh.
ተማሪዎች ደስታና ተስፋነሽ በአርባ ምንጭ ሰይሎ አንደኛ ደረጃ ትምህርት ቤት ይማራሉ። ወደ ትምህርት ቤት በሚሄዱበት ጊዜ ሲገናኙ ስለራሳቸው የበለጠ ለማወቅ እርስ በርሳቸው ይጠያየቃሉ። ተማሪዎች በደስታና ተስፋነሽ መካከል የሚደረገውን ውይይት አድምጡ።
Good morning. My name is Desta.
Good morning. My name is Tesfanesh.
Are you a student?
Yes, I am a student.
What is the name of your school?
It is called Seilo Primary School.
Where is your school?
It is in Arba Minch.
Which grade are you in?
I am in grade 4.
What subjects do you study?
I study English.
Which subjects do you like most?
I like English and science.
Students, that's great. Now please respond to these questions about yourselves. My name is Desta. What is your name?
Are you a student?
What is the name of your school? Where is your school? Which grade are you in? What subjects do you study? Which subjects do you like most? Students, did you respond correctly? That's good. Students, ask your partners the same question. Okay, students, this is all about Section 2 Activity 4. See you in the next activity.